I am satisfied. I'm not. Of course, there is some things that must develop a little bit, but mainly for the effort that the team gives, it's very good, and players do their best what they can do at the moment. And we got a lot of information about the players, what they can do individually. So this was the idea for this tournament also. This team effort that they put all the energy on the ice, that was good. We need a little bit more discipline and minimize those penalties, because we lost 2 games almost for the penalties, and that's not a good thing. That's what we need to do better. It's always difficult. It's always a tough job to do, and but like I told, we got good information today, and there is always, whatever you select there in this, there are certain players that are for sure in the team, but there are also 4, 5, 6 players that have to consider that yes or no.
Okay, thank you and good luck.
Thank you.